Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete Facebook, and the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening the browser you have on your phone. So now that it's open, simply search in freefacebook.com. And now as you can see it's open, so simply log in the Facebook you would like to delete. After it's open, simply slide down. And now simply go on Settings and Privacy. And now that it's open, you can see all these tools to work with, so simply go on Personal Account and Information. And now that it's open, you can see even more tools to help you edit. And now simply click on Account Ownership and Control. And now as you can see we have been given even more tools to work with, so simply come and then click on Deactivate and Deletion. And now as you can see we have other tools to work with, so simply select the Delete option and then come and click Continue. And now as you can see we have been given the option to select reason to why we wish to delete our account. Then click on the Continue button. And now as you can see we have the last page, so slide down and then click on Delete Account. And now as you can see we have the final notification telling you to insert in the password. And now if you insert in your password, it will automatically delete your account. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.